Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see by the grown out eyebrows, the messed up today we're gonna be doing an at-home maintenance routine. Well, I'm cheap and that's just why I'm doing it. Do I like waxing my underarms by myself? No, I hate it actually, but I need to save money. Today I'll be using my Koala wax kit. You're not supposed to have any deodorant, no nothing on it. You're supposed to use baby powder to make the area dry. Do I have baby powder? No, so we're not going to be using baby powder. Okay, so I've only waxed my underarms one other time, and this was last month, and like they actually held up. Like, you know, it took a minute for them to grow back, so I'm grateful for that. And I looked up a video on like tips and stuff for wax, and the lady was telling me just to do smaller sections because yeah, I tried to do this whole section and it ended up getting stuck in bits and pieces, so I had to like, it was a hot mess and it was terrible, and I'm a little traumatized, but I don't really want to shave after waxing. Like, I don't want to go back to shaving, you know, so that's why we're here. The wax kit that I bought from Amazon came with its own wax. I'm not sure the quality of this wax, and maybe that's why it hurts so bad. I don't really know. I don't know anything about waxing, but all I know is that we're going to be using this one today because the pink one that I used, that one hurt. Hello. Okay, that should definitely be. I'm going to be back when she's all toasty and hot. I'm going to go get my baking soda. I'll be back. Here, and she is ready. And the wax is basically ready as well. Look how nice. Now I'm gonna put like 140 and let the wax cool a little bit because you're not supposed to apply hot wax to the skin. Okay guys, the time is now and the wax is now ready. Let's do it. Okay, so let's put a little bit of baking soda, not too much. We're back in more appropriate clothing for this occasion. A thin layer in order to ensure that the wax doesn't burn. I blow and I twist. I'm gonna just put it down. No mistakes. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna apply. I'm gonna wax it up. You see like how I left that little tongue there? I don't know how I did that, but I did it, so I'm not complaining. This was a big section. I shouldn't have done this big. No. Okay, finally ready. Just ow. Okay, so now we're gonna redo all of this, and I'm gonna just do it in like the opposite direction because like maybe the direction was the problem. Okay guys, we are done waxing our underarms. This is how they're looking. They're not perfect, but I don't care. Like, it got enough. Like, it looks better than before, and that's all I could ask for. I don't care too much about underarm hair. It's just when it gets too long, I'm just like, okay, I don't like this because it makes applying deodorant that much more annoying, you know? So let's do my nails because they're looking crusty and I don't like it. And we are in a new location. Hi guys, we are going to do my nails. As you can see, they're looking a little dusty. I actually did them a few days ago, but then they started peeling off. And I don't know what that's about. I'm gonna do this shade of pink. I also got this from Amazon. The color, it kind of reminds me of, you know, like Vaseline, like the rosy Vaseline shade. It reminds me of that, and I feel like that shade is very pretty. These are the nails after getting off all of that dirty old polish.
Every night fucks every day up. Everyday patches then right up. Oh God, you should match it, it's that KO. No white lighters till I fuck my 28th up. 1990, you my family had the actor. Oh, the legend. Got at least 6 discs and a changer. Back when Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansion. Oh, the reverend. Reaching self-made millionaire status. When we could only eat at Sony's on occasion. After Trina hit, I had to transfer campus. Your apartment, I didn't use since where I waited. Staying with you when I didn't ever have you. Fucking on you when I didn't own the pressures. Working on the way to make it out of Texas. Every night. Baby, I'll go.
Hey guys, we're in the bathroom. Okay, so I prepped my skin for dermaplaning and my eyebrows. I'm sorry if I'm all over the place. Okay, they are far from perfect, but this will have to do. Basically, y'all, I low-key overplucked this part of my eyebrow, but I covered it. I learned my lesson to not DIY everything. I will be going to get my eyebrows done by professionals from now on because I'd rather not lose all my eyebrows. I'm gonna meet y'all by my desk. So hey guys, so it is 3 days later and yeah, hi. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you guys found it informative. Also, side note, y'all, do not shave as rough as I did. I'm editing today and I realized I was shaving very rough and that's not good. And I also was dermaplaning one side of my face really rough and that caused me to have really bad breakouts, like really bad. So please don't shave rough. Please be very gentle with yourself. I think I was rushing. I don't know what I was doing. Thank you for almost allowing me to hit 700 subscribers. I really appreciate it. I never thought we were gonna get past like 20 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. Now I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you like my face and want to see more of my existence, please make sure to subscribe. And if you like the video, you know, like, if you have something to say, you can comment. And yeah, but guys, I will see you guys next week. Okay, love you guys. Bye.